Hey, this is Abhi and I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate products effectively so that you make more money with affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm talking about how you can stand out from all the other people with this particular strategy. Okay, so let's begin. Now, I assume that if you're watching this video, you already know what affiliate marketing is, what a funnel is, what a traffic is. Okay, if you don't know what those are, what a funnel or what affiliate marketing is, you can click the I button above this video and you will be taken to a new video where you will be able to watch that, and then you can come back to this video and learn this strategy. Now, most of you already know this, right? This is the main strategy that people use in affiliate marketing nowadays, right? People send traffic to this page, right, where they collect email address, which is called an opt-in page, right? This is an opt-in page. Okay, and then they collect the leads on an email marketing platform, and that is your email list, right? That is the most important asset that you can have. That is true. Now, when they opt in, they also get redirected to something called a thank you page. A lot of people actually send them directly to an offer, which is a waste of traffic. You actually need to build trust and reputation, right? So some people are at least introduce themselves here, right, thanking them, and what can they expect from them, all those stuff, right? And they just recommend a program here, right? If they click this button, they're gonna take them to a new program, right? That will be an offer sales page, right? That sales page gonna make them commissions, right? If someone purchases from this this offer, they will make money. Okay, and if they don't, you can actually follow them up with emails, sending them back to the thank you page, sending them back to the offer page, or wherever that you want, right? This will be the emails. Okay, so you can send them email. That's a terrible drawing, so bear with me, no problem. Okay, but we are going to do things a little different here. Okay, instead of sending people directly to the thank you page, we are going to do something like this. Okay, we are going to take people to a new page which will look like this. Okay, that's gonna be a long ass page, right? This is not a sales page. Let me explain. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's say you are promoting a tool or a software that helps people generating free traffic from Facebook. So what we are going to do is we're going to send people to this page where we will give them value. Okay, this page will consist of multiple videos, right? Let's say that's video number 1, let's say video number 2, right? Video number 3, right? You can stop there, or you can add one more video right there. Okay, I'm drawing with a mouse here, so bear with me. So these videos can be yours, you can create them, but if you can't, if you are a newbie, then you can actually leverage other people's videos in this legally. And I'm going to talk about a way of that as well by the end of this video. So in this page, right, the first video could be your introduction. Okay, the introduction to the method or introduction to Facebook free traffic in general. The second video and third video, you're gonna actually show them how to do it for free, right? Give them what they wanted, how to do that for free, like sending friend requests, sending messages, all those stuff, right? You show them everything that is there to generate organic free traffic from Facebook, and that to high quality, which will convert into sales. This way you can actually instantly position yourself as an authority, right? People will see you as an authority. People will start to trust you, as you are giving them so much value without even asking them to do something. Okay, so in the last video, this is where the magic happens. In the last video, you are going to show them a shortcut or an easy way that will cut their work in half or completely eliminate it or automate it. Okay, so here in this example, you will show them this product, right? That the free traffic strategy tool. You will show them that, and will show them how they can completely automate this and save a ton of time and do other things instead of just focusing on doing the free traffic. So what you can do is you can recommend them that tool and give a link below in here in this button. Okay, you are not going to sell it in that video, but just provide a little demo and show how it works and explain the benefits, how it can save the time and everything, right? That is a pain point. And just mention that they can get, if they want, from this button below. Okay, you are not gonna sell anything to the face. You're gonna sell without selling. Okay, so you're gonna just recommend it and it will go to the offer page, and 20% plus minus percent, right? 20% people will actually go ahead and buy it. If they have money to invest, they will go and buy. They would want to save the time, right? So this just skyrockets your conversions of your leads into customers right then and there. Now, I told you about leveraging others' work, right? So let me show you an example of that. So if you want to save the time from building these videos, I'm in the online business niche, right? So if you are into this niche, if you're getting into this niche, then this will be relevant to you. Okay, so if you want to save time from building those videos that I just showed you right on that one big page, instead of that, you can leverage this system called MOS, right? It stands for My Online Startup. Okay, so what MOS is, right? This is a full-blown A to Z affiliate marketing step-by-step training. Okay, this provides huge value, right? So if you are especially new, or if you lack time for creating those videos, then you can quickly get started, right? So what happens is people go to your opt-in page, right? That is your opt-in page. They go to list, right? That is your list, and then they go to a form, right? A thank you page if you want, but you can actually send them to a form, right? That is of MOS, right? That is a registration form. Okay, there will be a video there, and there will be how to register a simple form. They can actually register for free, right? That is for free, and they're going to take them to a new page, right? Their dashboard, their members page, where all the training will take place, right? What the mindset, what is affiliate marketing, right? How to approach affiliate marketing, how to drive traffic, how to build funnels, how to set up tracking, all those stuff, right? How to write emails, everything. And there will be a video, a highly valuable video, which you can do. Right, you can register for free and you can promote MOS this way. So there will be a button, right? Upgrade. So if the people see all this value, right, that MOS is providing, they are much more likely to upgrade, right? And when they upgrade, you're gonna get, right, $100 commission, easy, right? $100 commissions. Now, and for to do that, you need to upgrade as well, right? You need to join MOS, and you need to upgrade to a founding partner, right? And apart from that, even if people do not register, do not upgrade under you, or in all these tutorials, right, there are resources. If you are a founding partner, you can actually plug in your affiliate link in these resources, right? There can be autoresponder, right? Get response, that will be yours, right? There can be ClickMagick, that will be yours. There will be ClickFunnels, that will be your affiliate link, and you're gonna make multiple streams of income this way. And if you become a founding partner, that is 50 plus income streams, right? And you're gonna get set up for free, right? You're gonna get the opt-in page for free, high converting opt-in page. You're gonna get 150 days worth of high converting email follow-ups. Okay, that is just huge, right? They don't not only give you these follow-ups, you don't even have to put them into your own autoresponder. They will actually go ahead and do that for you manually. Okay, so by the way, this founding partner, there's a discount going on, and if you want to check that out, like, you can actually go and register now. Okay, there's a discount right now, and it will expire in the 1st of June. So make sure you go ahead, click the link below the description, register, and check the video on the founding partner. You will know exactly what you're gonna get access, and you can leverage all this stuff right away. Anyway, the MOS is free, and you can check it out for free as well, right? You can see all the videos. If you don't know, if you are struggling with affiliate marketing, you can go ahead and get the training for free, right? If you are interested, you can just click the founding partner and please watch the video, right? Make sure it is you do that as soon as possible, because the discount is very time limited. Okay, till 1st June. So that will conclude this video. So if you're new here and like this video, click that like button and subscribe to get more videos such as this, right? And make sure you comment what do you think about this video. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.